to the 120,000 men and women who gave their lives in the service of the RAF. Each of the aircraft has its own unique history, but each aircraft also has a colour scheme which commemorates a particular battle, campaign, individual unit or aircrew with stories of inspirational human endeavour, courage and fortitude. Our aircraft are now approaching from crowd left, and I'm going to keep quiet for a while and allow you a moment to appreciate the roar of those iconic engines as they make their initial approach to display for you here today. Sight, and one we hope will stay with you long after this display. Today's display will comprise of the Lancaster, the Hurricane and the Spitfire. All based at RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire since 1976, we are a regular flying squadron of the Royal Air Force. We have a very small but dedicated team of RAF regulars, reserves and civil servants who are all involved in making these displays possible. We have roles ranging from aircraft engineers and pilots to operations, admin, public relations and training personnel who all work tirelessly behind the scenes. We are a living memorial to those. Hurricane, KZ 865. Out of nearly 7,400 that were built, an absolutely staggering number. She is a flying memorial to those who served in RAF Bomber Command and those who tragically lost their lives. This year, we remember Operation Chastise, better known as the Dambusters Raid, which took place 80 years ago this year. PA474 was built at the Vickers Armstrong Broughton factory in Hayward in 1945 at the end of the war, so did not see any operational service. The aircraft joined the BBMF in 1973, making this her 50th year with us. PA474 was officially adopted by the City of Lincoln in 1975, and permission was granted for the aircraft to display the coat of arms and the name of the city on its nose. PA474 is currently painted on its port side as Lancaster Whiskey 5005 ARL Leader, with nose art depicting a kangaroo in miner's boots playing the bagpipes, which represented the mixed nationalities of its crew at the time. On the starboard side, PA474 wears the 50 Squadron code letters VNT, which were the code letters of the aircraft in which Flying Officer Dougie Milliken flew 27 of the 35. You can find us on social media. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram at RAF BBMF, and on Facebook at BBMF